It's a 2018 Audi A3 Sedan. This luxury compact sedan leaves you wanting for nothing. From impressive power to luxurious features to efficiency, this A3 does it all. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Road and Track points out, inside, the A3 Sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. Take it for a test drive today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a œThe dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.